Get Tanisha's note over here.
You said no over here.
I like the Tanisha's dance.
It's the robot.
Check out hers.
You both said robot. Robot.
Sorry, I'm trying to get both of them.
And don't be drag queen.
A drag queen is where a male dresses up as a
No,
female.
drag queen is a female that looks like a male.
So Michael Jackson? He does. He's ridiculously pale.
He is
Or
too.
or
And
or
neither.
was.
He bleached his skin.
Yeah, we don't want to scare the viewers.
Oh, you taking a video of this?
Nah. We're scaring the viewers.
I'm gonna joke. No, just keep dancing. Oh. Keep dancing. I don't have any music.
Can't zoom.
Just dance. Here, I'll put on some Carolines.
Is that
That's
mine?
mine.
Oh. Just go.
I was like, that's not mine.
No, I already have it on. Go.
Come on, Patty face.
Now I'm gonna start it. Hold on.
Smile for the grandma.
You're dancing. What's my turn?
I don't know.
Alright, go.
Hey, we need to record that.
Why do I have to dance to that song?
It's what you did to
She
before.
starts talking. I don't want to hear her talking. You have to keep it speedy.
There.
Skippy!
We're scaring the viewers.
I'm trying to say. This is a dance, my kids. Wow, you got